Home today, and I will be doing some in-house basic cleaning, taking care of the small stuff, and I'll be at home sewing today. So I just wanted to show you guys I have a new product that I want to feature on here that I think will be very helpful, because I know how difficult it can be to clean out your bongs and then find the right solution that's safe and effective. So I think I found something. I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for all the love and support. Before you start, you should have a few things. You should have a bowl for your pieces. You should have 2 covers for the bong, for the top and the side. You should have 2 solutions, one in a white bottle or a black bottle. The instructions are on the side. They are defined differently by colors. One is for the pieces and one is for the inside of the bong. The instructions are very straight, clear, and straight to the point. This bong I've had for about a year now, and I've cleaned it about 4 or 5 times, but I never get that last bit of residue off and the staining on the glass. So the first part that I'm going to do is the ResRid small part in rid cleaner. You says shake very well. It's good for glass, ceramic, metal, and silicone. The ResRid's benefits are works in seconds, cleans, disinfects, deodorizes, leaves glass, ceramic, metal, and silicone looking new. Wash your hands. It does not encourage that enough. Please wash your hands after you use this product. It also says please recycle this bottle after you use this product. It is highly flammable. It has alcohol in it, an alcohol base. Keep away from heat, sparks, electronics, and stuff, and keep away from eyes. It says that because it is harmful, and it is also harmful if you swallow. So I put it in the bowl. I put the items in the bowl. I shook it up a bit, and now I'm about to put the caps on both openings of the bong. Bongs come in a variety of sizes, so it comes with 3 parts. If it does, you can hear the crystals inside of the second bottle, which is the solution called the original residue remover for tough residue in large pieces. You can hear the crystals inside of it when you shake it. It says shake this ResRid very, very hard. Use 1/4 to half of the bottle. I feel like I want to open it more because I hear stuff in it, and I want to make sure that whatever's in it gets into. Damn. I feel like that's enough. I wish I could look inside, but it says it'll irritate your eyes, so I'm not gonna do that. And then this is the other cap that goes on top. Cover the remaining openings and shake for 40 seconds until the ResRid is turned to the shade of brown. Once the item is clean, rinse thoroughly under warm water and let the air dry. Wash hands after. Again, please wash your hands after. Or just put on gloves and still wash your hands after. You can already see that it's coming off. This shit is amazing. Okay, I don't like that the condoms are really small. But I guess it has to be small for it to be secured on real good. But this shit about to look like it's new. Brand new. I love that. And check on the little pieces. Basically, these 2 bottles, the 3 condoms, because it's another one. Here it is. It's an even smaller one. And then a sticker. The price isn't bad either, and you really get what you pay for. This shit is amazing. This shit looks brand new. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna get this again. I got it off Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below. Yeah. Or unless I see something like you can see the little crystals. You can see the little crystals on the inside that I used to help clean the things up. That is so smart. So that is the final product. about to rinse this out and get the crystals out because I don't want to be like smoking meth or anything. I hope you guys can see these crystals. I'm not like making this shit up. Let me see if I can show y'all from the bottom. Okay, so yeah, there it is. It don't smell bad. It smells like lemons, basically. It's not so messy. I understand why they said make sure you wash your hands because look at all this on the gloves, and then of course the chemicals. You don't want any of that on you. Checking on the pieces. They're not quite ready yet. I feel like they won't be ready for a while. But I will show y'all the finished product here. We are at 79 subscribers. I cannot even believe it. So thank you everyone for watching. And I might do a giveaway. Maybe I should do a giveaway at 100 subscribers. Let me know what you think in the tab below. Thanks so much for liking, subscribing, and watching. If you haven't done any of that yet, please go do that. Thanks. Alright, love you. Bye.